In this media, you will learn about the various types of welding defects. It is a fracture type of discontinuous development characterized by a sharp tip and high ratio of length and width to opening displacement. Porosity and blowholes. Porosity is a group of small holes, whereas blowhole or gas pocket is a comparatively bigger isolated hole or cavity. They occur mainly due to entrapped gases. The parent metal, melted by means of the arc, tends to absorb gases like hydrogen, carbon monoxide, nitrogen, and oxygen if they are present around the molten weld metal pool. Slag inclusion. It is the non-metallic solid materials entrapped in the weld metal or between the weld and the base metal. Undercutting. In undercutting, a groove gets formed in the parent metal along the sides of the weld bead. Grooves reduce the thickness of the plate and thus the area along the bead, which in turn weakens the weld. Incomplete fusion and penetration. Incomplete fusion is a weld discontinuity in which fusion doesn't occur between weld metal and fusion faces. This absence of fusion may occur at any location within the weld joint and may be present in fillet welds and groove welds. Penetration is the distance from base plate top surface to the maximum extent of the solid piece of the weld. Incomplete joint penetration is described as a joint root condition in a groove weld in which weld metal does not extend through the joint thickness. It is the failure of filler metal or base metal to completely fill the root of the weld. Distortion. While welding a job, base metal under the arc melts, base metal ahead gets preheated, and the base metal portion already welded starts cooling. There is a good amount of temperature difference at various points along the joint, and thus at any instant, certain areas of base metal expand, and others, including weld bead, contract. Now you have learnt about the various types of welding defects.
If you find the information useful, please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.